Player in space, he finds David Silva, curling shot from Silva, what a goal! A bit of magic from the little wizard.
So this is a clip from a football match. You can see the viewers here, they're quite sad because a goal has been scored against their team. So the players are actually playing for the fans, both in the stadium as well as the worldwide fans who are watching their particular game. But the score line is decided by the 22 players who are on the pitch. Okay, the audience can cheer up their team, but the final goal line actually depends on the performance of the players. Okay, so with that in mind, let's try to understand what's the difference between a programmer and a user. So we'll explain that with the example from YouTube. So as of now, you are watching this particular video in YouTube and you are actually viewing a video which has been uploaded by me. And what is the program? Towards right, what you see here is a program which has been written in JavaScript. So this JavaScript code is the reason why we are able to view this particular video as of now. The reason that I could upload the video as well as you to view this video has been made possible because we have a platform called YouTube, and this is the code that has enabled enabled the YouTube platform to perform in the way that it is performing right now. So who has actually written this program? Is it me, the one who has uploaded the video, or you who is viewing the video? No, both of us are just users of the platform called YouTube. Okay, so the programmers here, the Google's employees, are the ones who has actually written this particular program. Okay, so this is what we are aiming to. Just like Google's employees have written the code for YouTube, by the end of the semester, what we want is all the students should be able to write programs in a language called C. Okay, so you have to be clear with the terms users and programmers. Programmer is the one who is actually writing the program, and for writing the program, he or she should know the syntax of a particular language. For us, we are learning the language called C. Okay, so when you are typing in or when you are doing a program, you are actually a programmer and you are doing a program. So when you are a programmer, it doesn't mean that you don't have to think from the perspective of a user. You do have to think. So just like a chef taste a particular dish before serving it to the users, we as programmers also will have to test our program in between. Okay, so we write a part of the program and then we test it. We see if this is what we really wanted, or is this what our users are expecting us to do. Okay, so while you're doing program, in between you will be shifting, you will be moving, or you will be thinking like a user, and you will test, you will see if your program is really working in the way that the user is expecting you to make this particular program. Okay, so what have we looked today? We have tried to understand what is the difference between a programmer and a user. And then again, the next important thing is that while you are programming, you are not always playing the role of a programmer alone. You also have to think from the perspective of a user, and you will have to test your program from the perspective of a user. Okay, thank you.